Here we have a multi-tool. This is your basic little multi-tool. Got a bunch of stuff in it. We got another one. Tools on this one are on the other side. We have another one. Tools on the outside. Pair of pliers. Here we've got a little mini one. Tools on the outside, and this one is a little LED flashlight. Here's pretty much a Swiss Army knife. It's got a little fishing logo on there. Here we have 3 more Swiss Army knives. This was actually my first knife. Got a little folding utility knife box cutter. A couple more little knives. Here we have 2 more. We have this little one, which is a money clip with a little knife and a nail file on it. And here we have the smallest knife I own. Little itty bitty knife.